Hey guys, hope you're good. So I've had this Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette for a while now, and I'm so ashamed to say that I have not used it until today. So I just thought I'd try and create a look using these eyeshadows. I was a little bit nervous to use them because I feel like matte, bright, colourful eyeshadows are really difficult to make and they're so hit and miss. But these ones did really well. They were really easy to blend and had really good pigmentation. So I'm starting off with using the yellow matte shade on a big fluffy NYX Professional Makeup Brush. The more I use these eyeshadows, the more I kind of got the hang of how to use them. I wanted a lot of intense pigment, so I found that the best way to use these would be to press the shadow onto a wet base and then start blending it out. Then I'm taking the matte orange eyeshadow and I'm taking this on my Zoeva flat fluffy brush and just pressing this underneath where we applied the yellow previously and slightly blending out the edges, because again you just want to keep that intensity for that beautiful bright bold look. And then going in with the same fluffy brush which I started off with, just to blend everything together and make sure that everything is seamless. And then taking the shocking pink shade on a small fluffy brush just because I wanted a bit more of a precise application. It really helps create that beautiful gradient going all the way up. To cut the crease, I'm using my usual, the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden. I am actually on the hunt for something new because I'm getting incredibly bored of using the same thing every day. So if anybody does have any good suggestions, please do let me know. And I'm just using my favourite technique, which is one swipe across the eyelid using a flat brush. For the eyelid, I wanted to use something a little bit more easy, so I thought I'd go with a cream eyeshadow as it will just dry and it won't budge. So I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics cream eyeshadow in Copper and just sliding this over the cut crease. I actually really love this. I feel like this is a cream eyeshadow that I could use for anything, whether it's a daytime look or an evening look. I'm then taking the matte blue shade from the palette and using my Morphe M507 brush and just fluffing this on the outer V. I thought we just added a little bit of something extra. We all like something a bit extra. So to add a little bit more extra, I thought I'd go in with this gorgeous NYX Professional Makeup Brush on Bling. It's supposedly a brow gel. It works really well as a liquid liner and like an eyeshadow base, but I'm not sure I would ever place this on my brows. But if that's something you want to do, then you do you. For the waterline, I use a NYX Professional Makeup Slide On Glide On waterproof pencil in Glitzy Gold, and I'm just taking the eyeshadows which I used on the top and placing them on the bottom, tying the entire look together. These lashes I'm using are from Tatti. Now I'm a little bit of a numbnut because I threw away the box and I don't know what style they are, but I absolutely love them, and if I can figure them out I will for sure write it down below. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you do have any requests, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Find me on Instagram at makeupbyaj, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!